The 1969 Camaro by Ringbrothers, a stunning blend of classic American muscle and modern engineering excellence. This iconic vehicle has been meticulously restored and upgraded to deliver unparalleled performance, making it a true masterpiece in the world of custom cars. At the core of this 1969 Camaro lies a formidable Wegner Motorsports Inc. 416 LS3 engine, featuring a displacement of 376 cubic inches. This powerhouse is equipped with a Whipple 2.9-liter supercharger, pushing the engine's output to an astonishing 1,000 horsepower. The engine is mated to a Bowler transmission Tremec T56 six-speed manual transmission. The Camaro rides on HRE wheels, Ringbrothers Edition G-code, with the front wheels measuring 19 by 11 inches and the rear wheels measuring 20 by 12.5 inches. These custom-designed wheels are paired with Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires, size 295 by 35 by 19 in the front and 345 by 30 by 20 in the rear. The car is equipped with Bear Brakes 6S6 piston calipers on both the front and rear, ensuring reliable and consistent stopping power. Suspension: DSE hydroformed subframe with F-body, Quadralink system and QA1 MOD shocks. Exhaust: Flowmaster 44, SS exhaust system with custom headers by Ringbrothers. Interior: it's fully custom, of course, thanks to Upholstery Unlimited. Ringbrothers included JL audio sound and Dakota digital gauges, as well as a vintage Air Gen 4 system to keep it temperature-friendly for occupants. The car also has a hand-fabbed roll cage. To shed weight, they hit delete on the back seat. Ringbrothers specific steering wheel, covered in crushed carbon fiber. The placement of the Dakota digital gauges nods to the original design, however, and the cue ball shifter is another retro touch.